Hi, this is Kylie Coo. Welcome to my studio and welcome to week 47 of creating a positivity deck. And this week the prompt is family and friends. So I'm a little bit late with this week's video because I've been down with the flu and also the cold. I'm more or less over it now, and today, Tuesday, I felt that I could actually sit down and create my card. I've just had that kind of lack of energy that kind of follows flu and cold. So originally when I thought about the prompts of family and friends, I had thought that they might be two separate prompts, but actually I've realised more and more in my mind that they're connected. Because, family members can also be our best friends, and friends can also be like family members. There can be a closeness and a connection there. So I decided that I would make this part and parcel of the same prompt. So I just glued down that piece of drop paper that already had some colour on it, and I decided that when I journaled, one of the things that came out for me was that family and friends is very much about love, it's about compassion, lifelong, forever, support, a two-way thing, joy, laughter. And the thing that kind of summed that up for me was a heart. So I remembered that I had this heart stamp, and it's actually got 5 hearts on it. And just the fact that it had kind of different patterns on it, for me, kind of helped signify that all of my family, all of my friends are different. But there is a connection there through me, apart from anything else. But I just thought that rather than doing one big heart, if I showed the different hearts, as I say, for me it just helped represent that each one of those relationships with family and friends is different, and each one of them is different. And that is a good thing. So I did keep it very simple this week. And you see me there just using the stamp just on that other piece of drop sheet paper below. And I looked at this and I thought I actually quite like it just as it is, which is often the case, but I decided I would add a little bit of colour to it. Because, again, there's something about family and friends that they bring colour to our lives. So the other thing I'm thinking about family and friends, of course, is that, families come in all shapes and sizes. It's not that kind of nuclear type family that was spoken about many years ago. Grandparents can play a significant part in people's lives, and other family members. So yeah, I was just trying to bring out the difference that exists in different families. And of course, part of our families is also our Furbies, or whatever type of animal, fish, other living being that is a part of your life. So, I'm slightly rambling here, I know that, but I'm just going to leave it in because it is what it is. I'm just trying to get over what family and friends means to me, and the fact that I recognise that for each and every one of you it will be something different, and you will be able to represent it in whatever way you want. So I do a little bit of colouring, not terribly much. It is a quick card, perhaps just reflecting the way that I was feeling today. Definitely getting over this cold and flu, but it's still lingering there a bit. But I was glad to get it done. I had missed doing it at the time I would normally do it, and I was kind of slightly fearful that I wouldn't get it done this week, just the way that I'd been feeling over the weekend there. But, I got it done. It's simple, but it's done. So I'll just leave you for a little moment just as I finish doing the colouring in on this. So a very quick card for me, but that doesn't mean that it's any less meaningful than any of the others. So I hope you can find gratitude for family and friends as well. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.